Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna take my wife's car to go out and wash it because well, let me show you something. There we go. It is kinda dirty, you know? So this is the plan for today. So we're gonna go and wash it, so let's do it. I need the keys. Well, let's see where they're at there. Maybe. Nope. There we go. Oh, what? Okie dokie. Oh man, say what? Okay, we can fix that, but what about that? Oh man, that sucks. Well, I guess first thing first, we're gonna tackle that. So the check engine came on, and yeah buddy, fun. So I believe you guys saw that, but let me show you again. I already did the canning and everything, and this is the problem right there, this guy. And then this thing, I don't know if you guys heard it, but it's quicking. So when we're doing this, we're gonna change this guy real quick and call it a day. So let's do it. Okay guys, it's super easy fix. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna save money. Instead of going to a mechanic, you guys can go to AutoZone or O'Reilly, do a real quick for free, you know, check engine light checkup, you know, and then basically it's gonna tell you it's one of these guys, which is the air pump, secondary air pump. Super easy. This guy cost me 150 bucks and came with a lifetime warranty. So if this thing goes bad, that's it. Go back, return it, get a new one, boom, you know. So this is how we're gonna save money. We're gonna fix it by ourselves. You know what I mean? Okay, and don't forget, buy some Dogecoin. Yeah, buddy. Talking about this guy right there, if you guys gonna be able to see it, well, right there. T30. And that was the sound, but they just got lucky. And I will show you why. Check it out. You guys see it? Right there. Yep. Hey, see that bolt? I almost think it's gonna be in another 30 minutes. Jacking the car, dropping the the plastic on the bottom. Boy, I got lucky. Telling you guys, if I can do it, you guys can do it. Boop. Let's go fishing. Yeah, see that? Boom. Yeah, buddy. So now a new one. Make sure you follow the orientation. I don't think you guys can mess it up. I don't know. See that? Boom. Just like that. Perfect. So now, since I'm here and actually I have an access to this little guy, which is this guy. Ooh, again. See how we're gonna do it. Okay, now we need to remove the belt, so that's gonna be a little bit tricky. Guess what? I figured it out. So you need one of these guys, and then number 17 millimeters mm's, and then this guy goes on the bottom. So you know. So let me show you real quick. Boom, right there. See that, guys? Goes on the bottom, right there. And then basically, when you make tension down, you're loosening it. See that? So okay, and then the other trick, as soon as when you remove the tension, now you guys gonna be able to see it. You guys see the Allen wrench right there? So you're removing the tension, and then you slide the Allen wrench in, and now you're holding the pulley, and the tension is gone. It's loose as a goose. Perfect. This is how we gonna do it. Like a game on a PlayStation, you know what I mean? Telling you guys, this is how we're gonna save some money and play on that PlayStation. Yes, let me show you something. Can you hear that? This is not what you're supposed to hear. And on top of that, this is the brand new one. Okay guys, so when you get sucked in all the way, this washer is gonna sit on in, and then the actual housing is gonna go inside of that barrel, basically right there. Cool. Yeah, buddy. Okay guys, the torque spec on this pulley is 22. So you guys gonna get one of those. As you can see, 15, 25, pretty simple. Make sure you check every single pulley that the belt goes correctly, so it doesn't come out, doesn't slip, you know. And the Allen wrench that I used to hold the belt tensioner pulley in the lock position was number 3 millimeters, or I guess 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3. That looks too big, so probably a 1/8, because I know everybody's gonna freak out like, millimeters? What? Exactly. So on an 8 and number 3, whatever you guys have. And let's go back to the air pump. And that's it. Okay, let's hear it. Okay guys, let me just show you. So we have basically 6 errors, airflow. You guys can see it right there. Okay, and just to make sure that everything is good, I'm gonna go right there, electric air pump. And you guys should be able to hear it. Let's see. Perfect guys, so everything got fixed, everything is working. So now the only 2 things that's left on the dashboard is the service A and the check washer fluid. So the washer fluid, the sensor is bad, and the service A, you know, that means oil and oil filter basically. So if you guys want to see how I'm gonna fix those things, you know, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell notification, so when I post a new video, you guys are gonna be notified and you guys are not gonna miss how I'm gonna fix those 2 problems on these vehicles. And yeah, and everything's gonna be as good as new. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button, you know, smash it if you have to, and I'll see you on the next one.